Hello my dear friend, how are you? This is our new arrived night vision monocular PVS14 with a manual gain control knob. Okay, let me open the box. The first product is a soft bag, green color, yeah, you can see. And this one, soft helmet, look. G-arm, you can use it to connect the soft helmet and night vision monocular with helmet bracket. Yeah, you can see. And we provide cleaning clothes. You can use it to clean your night vision monocular. Yeah. And this is manual gain control knob. You can root this button to adjust the brightness, image effect brightness. Yeah. And we use one piece CR123 battery or one piece AA battery. Yeah. And we provide a safety box with sponge, yeah, and carton box to protect the goods and not be damaged during transportation. Okay, thank you.